When there's heavy lifting to be done, the Unicarriers 1F6 series of diesel forklifts come with capacities from 6,000 to 10,000 kilograms. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. These diesel-powered machines come with a fuel-efficient 6.5-litre Isuzu engine coupled with a responsive 2-speed torque-converted transmission. Designed with driver ergonomics in mind, for better comfort and improved productivity, the 1F6 series is also pretty quiet at 85 dBA. And the driver gets a clear field of view thanks to the improved wide-view mast design. With its improved acceleration and high lift speeds, the Unicarriers 1F6 will get the job done quickly and reduce operational cycles. And its high-capacity hydraulics allow it to be used with a huge range of attachments. And you can find out more by calling Lencrow on 1300 536 276 or go to lencrowforklifts.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.